Yun na ni tutorial sa tagay.
There's trouble on the front lines. Let's go. The left controls movement and the right controls your attacks. Follow me.
Tudloan ta mo sa pagdak duwag i-choke.
Cover me.
Mo si mo.
Nice. Solaris' skill 2 deals area damage. Tap to learn it.
Marksman gitu. Pagkudian mo marksman, tank, mage. Primero yung tutorial. Mas kuan yung mechanics yung isukuan. Kaysa sa in-il. Pero mo lang gihapon
Time
ay
to learn your
dili lang.
second skill. Use skill 2 to slow, then use skill 1 to enhance your basic attacks.
Nindot kay ilang
More
ilang
enemies have
tutorial.
appeared. Get ready.
Mas sabutabol siya. Pero mas kuan to mechanics yung kuan. Mas nindot yung graphics. Kaysa sa in-il.
Slain an enemy.
Ari ito yung discover. Ito guys, dili lang mo palabi yung duha. Practice lang.
Let's show them who they're messing with.
Practice lang yun.
Enemy has been slain. Skill 3 is now unlocked. Time to your skill 3
Nindot yun.
stun enemies from a distance.
Mas tanay siya.
Enemy has been slain.
Tanaw na mo guys ha. May tutorial. Mo gihapon ay lang gihapon mo
Guys,
pag
just don't give up.
ka-addict.
Show them who's the
Kontrolon
boss.
ninyo ba?
Unstoppable. Double kill. Not bad. I'll have to watch out for you in the future. Defeat the enemies and destroy their towers to claim victory.
Brightest light casts darkest shadow.
Legendary. You've got a talent for this.
Blind
In guys.
lies.
Marksman ni patuloy maka marksman o mage o tank. Okay.
Legendary. An
Ang
enemy has
gamiton
been
ani
slain.
mo gihapon mo rin kuan good. Open siya niya pa.
Your team has destroyed a turret. You're a natural. Destroy the enemy crystal.
Mga itong tutorial. Duwa na gani.
Victory.
Magduwa galing mo MOBA guys. Ayaw ninyo. Ay mo pagpakontrol sa MOBA. Kinahanglan matanaw mo lain nga mga buhaton para dili mo mahimong addicted. Kini kuan ra nito kanang duwa ra ba?
The tutorial has
Found
been
ani.
skipped for you.
Mo na siya im-im. Ayaw pag palabi addicted makontrol man na guys. Ako addicted gud ko sa una sa dutawan. Yeah. ML. Medyo na-control na nako kamay. So, kontrolon dili ikaw may kontrolon sa duwa. Inana ra na. Pasensya po di palabig duwa. Pildi na gali ka duha, stop na. 3-5 pinakataas ng 5 duwa. Kuan kag mga usa ka oras. Daog na na.
Welcome to Hero's Gorge. Hero's Gorge has 3 lanes. Minions will attack along these lanes.
Manay lang MCA.
Each team has 3 towers on each lane.
Si Ying.
After you you've destroyed all the enemy towers on one lane, you can destroy the enemy's crystal to claim victory. The three
Okay kaya lang
lanes are
kuan.
different.
Mas okay lang tutorial kaysa sa
The
ML.
clash lane is more suitable for fighters and tanks. The mid lane is more suitable for mages. The farm lane is more suitable for marksmen and support heroes. Get ready. We're heading into battle. Marksmen should go to the farm lane. Follow me.
Ang nakanindot lang po dani kay
Well done.
ang nakanindot lang po dani kay kuan siya.
Not
Kung
bad.
palanitan marksman ka, magsige lang kag marksman ana siya designated ba. Dili pareha sa ML dengan
Chaos
cancer.
is coming.
That's what I like to see.
Iya itong kontra. Natay kuan natay bata-bata siya.
Towers are extremely dangerous. Let's learn more about how they work. When an enemy tower's range marker is yellow, it'll attack you if you enter its range. When you are targeted by a tower, its range marker will turn red. Get out quickly. A tower will attack the first unit that enters its range. Let a minion enter the tower's range first.
Hindot kaya
It's
ng
safe when a
tutorial.
tower's range marker turns green.
Sabot-tabol kayo ba?
When you attack an enemy hero within a tower's range, the tower's range marker will turn
Makasabot ang
red,
kuan,
and the
bisag way.
tower will defeat the enemy hero and
Wa
take
ka
out
eskwela.
their outer tower.
Gali ka mo bang target dito guys. Tanawa ko yung nagbuwa ko naging target gina dito. Kinahanglan magkuhan yun mo.
the turret.
Hindi mo mag-steady o sa lugar para di mo makakuhan mo ba. Maka micro mo sa kuhan kontra. Hindi mo mag-steady. Pero pong duta ba.
Destroyed the turret. That's what I like to see. Double kill. Triple kill. Quadra kill.
Pag-drop
Your team has destroyed a turret.
para duwa din ta dito ito.
Nice. Victory is within reach. Destroy their crystal. Victory.
Gusto mo na to ay lang mo pagpa grabe og duwa lang og mga pila ka oras may tag nailabay sa Facebook gaming sa una Facebook gamer mo nata hero rank dito deo rank na lagi dito reach in level 1. Hero, makatagdagan sila sa hatag hero guys. Ano yung nakanindutan?
Level up to earn more rewards.
Hindi ko man ano, suway tag rank, makakuan baka tag rank. Testing lang ta first time rank ba. Uy, ito, uy. Dahil lagi. Classic po mali eh. Basta farm lane mo naman ka mo ni gold lane nila. Ginayang ko ano. First item dahil. Sunod na testing tagkuan. Testing ta og rank. Kini mo nindo ta usog maay kay kuaning luban number 7.
Welcome to Honor of Kings.
Welcome to Honor of Kings.
Enemy
Kings.
minions will arrive in 5 seconds. All forces, move out! Follow the arrows to the farm lane.
The brightest light casts darkest shadows.
Ranged minions on the farm lane yield more gold.
Luban ulit ng kontro. Kit na. Pero computer lang.
Minion wave.
Tuluan tag farm. Dali ra kayo sige.
Charge! An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Get out of there! Tower attacks become more powerful with each hit, so pull back. Executed. An enemy has been slain.
Blind belief will lead you blind.
Daghan yan. Ang nakanindutan ay dali ra mahuman.
Enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Slain an enemy.
The sun is setting.
Double kill.
Daog na.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Tap here to use the recovery skill.
Nindot ko yan yung item item sa kuno. Kay kada tulo na ikon ba na more siya kuan. Na siya lightning. Alam na. Ini ka attack ni katulo. Oh. Kuan siya yung passive nga tagtulo ang tira. Ano siya passive nga
Get out of there. Towers will target you.
Siya ay
You attack an enemy while you're
kini
within
yung
tower
skill,
range.
first skill
If that
tapos
happens,
ay ang
pull
passive.
back as fast as you can.
Kurinti. Ano siya sa kuan?
These are mine.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Dindot na nila kay dagang department. Wa man sa una. Karon daghan na. Daghan na kay department apon no po yun.
Charge! Overlord and Tyrant have fallen. Tower shields have been shattered. Catapult. Attacking the inner tower on this lane. Keep pushing
Wala gini
toward the
kontra.
high ground.
Ano kontra ni?
Enemy has been slain. Attacking the inner tower on this lane. Keep pushing toward the high ground. Page.
The sun is setting.
Kill. Charge! Get out of there! Attack the marker! We've destroyed all the enemy towers in a lane. Now destroy the crystal.
Saan itong makontra?
The brightest light casts darkest shadows.
Ally has been slain. Get out of there! Hold back. As soon as an enemy tower targets you. Triple kill. Your team has destroyed a turret. Victory!
Nindot siya na siya ikuan ba? Yung farm, the new kuan sa ML nindot ni siya. Nindot mo nang kaingon ko mas ugihan kuan eh. Yung museum ni ko. Oh, MVP. Diretso tag rank eh. Tingnan natin pwede ba rank. Oh. Level ko. Ito. Ayun, rank tag. So, okay. Confirm. Waiting. Open. Oh, rare. Ang balik ko ito. What's your name? Ano na? Gaming. Co-farming. PC. YC. Ito na. Complete. Name cannot contain. Cannot contain the line break. Okay. Name is sulong. Okay. Ay, nako. Game farm. Game farm lang. Game farm. Why saber game farm? Kira. Ano? Okay kayo. Level to. Mahatag na lagi. Ayos kayo. Ay, rank ko ta. Dito tag rank. Interim. Pwede ba? Testing ta. Isa kayo ba si makakontratag mga maayo. Prep sa ta. Preparation. Oh yeah. Ito na is done. Modify ito ni be. Books. Ensure magmaan niya. Physical. Go for marksman. Modify. $35 attack speed, 5 movement speed, kini usa. 10 character rate, 5 attack speed, kini siguro. Kini. Ay, dili, kini. Okay. Tapos, ang boots niya. Ayan. Kita nito dito.
Tinuod mo, walang pasok siya.
Okay. So, plan din. Nakita ko.
Ayaw, ma mo.
Nakata na eh. Ito do. Assisting to. Interim. Bronze identa. Ay, bata pa, bago pang nakuan ba? Bago pang nagduwa. Jibril. Asa ta? Uy, ita. Lock. Farm lane.
Sana.
Lain siya. It's okay. Testing ko kung ano it's okay. Kira?
Di ba? Sana na 1 ml or di.
Yun yung mili. Nice ko ano. Brave Smith. Eh, ito na. Ano nga ang gamitin na? Increase damage. Physical life steal. Okay. Philippines versus Malaysia. Inabtik kayo ni siya doon unsa man na. Ko na na ba maka samad ba na.
Kamera man.
Tanawa ko G. Magduwa gali kag manginani di ka magpakuan. Kuan ra gina ka oras pinakataas ng 1 hour. Sumana na wala na. Dili kuanon. Kontrolon ba? Dili kay kontrolon sa kuan. Dili kay magpa-control sa
Follow the arrows to the farm lane.
dili kay magpa-control sa kuan.
Chaos is coming.
Ranged minions on the farm lane yield more gold.
Gahi ini ng kuan.
First blood. There. Pull back as soon as an enemy
Uy.
tower targets you.
Again.
It'll take longer to
Yung anak
resurrect
mga
as the
pro.
match progresses.
Di ay wa man change target man di man malak. Ilak dai ko meron.
Darkest shadows.
Na bilak dire. Na wala to.
Mga
Control.
Natay.
Ay ina na mo gina pakuan-kuan mo gina. Atagag chance ba? Ina na di
Isa ka buo.
gid ka makuan na. Okay ra na bisa pag sila makakuan.
Atay. Again. Ilpo.
Di man magsilbi mo. Oh, kirig.
Lang nakagawa naman guys kung ano.
Duwa na kani. Sabi ni mo G, hatag tig chance kamero mo ta to. Kuna at mga ta nagpapatay ato. Di dive lang tag tower. Ana ba? Nawa ni ron no.
An ally has been slain.
Chaos is coming.
An ally has been slain.
Charo kayo. Ako na yung kuan na. Singdugo ito ginuwag mo baro.
Towers will target you. You attack an enemy while you're within tower limits. If that happens, pull back as fast as you can. An enemy has been slain.
Malaysia mo. Hari yung Pilipinas sa mga bado. Wah, ini ditawan ya. Kung ano na, gamay. Hindi ko na kung, Nuwa ay ditawan, di yung pilde. Kiri karon.
An ally has been slain.
Upo ano,
Towers will target you if you attack an enemy while you're within tower range.
sempat yun.
If that happens, pull back as fast as you can. An
Kiri
enemy
na,
has been slain.
dito ano eh. Nindot guys ah.
Has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Ukot.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Legendary.
Hindi ako no. Nuwa ay duta. Ini lang kung ano. Noon sa tama. Duta nga tanang community magamit. Kinirahin nun na tulod duha ra. Pwede ra duha.
Blind belief will leave you.
Sisyo.
Legendary.
Pagtulo na.
Double kill.
The sun is setting.
Pagtubuhi.
Malapitan.
Nga na, magduwag mo ba? Pero di ka magpakuan.
The brightest light
Mo ba?
casts
Oo, mo ba yung tawagan eh.
Ako nangibit eh. Mr. Dimitri.
Aray na ka magkuan-kuan. Parang pag iniw.
Thanks.
Kuan da. Napagdito ko.
Banday.
Killing spree.
Pencil.
Ito magamit na. O man. Dagan. Nakabantay.
Ini mo diha.
Legendary. Rampage.
Bantay ka na. Moving target ba na?
Enemy has been slain.
Tayo
Legendary.
Time.
Killing spree.
Nice. Pride.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Get out of there! Towers will target you if you attack an enemy while you're within tower range. If that happens, pull back as fast as you can. Legendary.
Time.
Double kill.
Double kill na.
Mga abtik. Pasan ka di ka. Sluhan. Tingnan mo. Dito mo to. Ayo, tingnan.
Pabia ng boss.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Bro, bro.
Ito tabi. Dagan.
These are mine.
Bro.
Legendary.
Bro.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Ito, bro.
Sabay usa. Dari lang ka.
Legendary.
Triple kill.
The sun is setting.
Ito lagi.
Legendary.
Wala. Gahi na kayo ko. Duol na ron. Gawas ng mga kirig basta magawas. Gusto pagkamutan na.
Double kill. An ally has been slain. Double kill. Get out of there.
Ano?
Pull back as soon as an enemy tower targets you. Legendary. Aced.
Wala gipinta kill.
Setting.
Fabulous.
Brightest light. Cast. Darkest shadows.
Attacking the inner tower on this lane. Keep pushing toward the high ground.
Sila din.
Legendary. Double kill. Get out of there. Tower attacks become more powerful with each hit. Get out of there. Towers will target you if you attack an enemy while you're within tower range. If that happens, pull back as fast as you can. Attack the marker. We've destroyed all the enemy towers in a lane. Now destroy the crystal. Get out of there. Towers will target you if you attack an enemy while you're within tower range. If that happens, pull back as fast as you can. An ally has been get out of there. Tower attacks become more powerful with each hit.
Kuhan naman.
Pull back. Moving out.
Ito na yung i-end.